My name is Derrick Warner. I'm from Indianapolis, Indiana. Searching the web, checking out different programs, and by chance came across Joe. And he was more convincing than the other people that I researched. It was the way he talked, his voice. He made it pretty convincing that he's the man that I should pursue, shall I say. Well, it was a homeowner. They were going through a divorce. The lady, she was pregnant at the time. She didn't have a job. She didn't have a car, and she was just looking for a way out. But she needed cash. She needed cash, and she told me that the house was paid for. Only thing she needed was like $25,000. So I just said, well, I'll get it. Can we have this deal? And she said, yes. I said, so you saying if I give you $25,000, we got a deal? She said, more definitely, we got a deal. So that's what I did. I had a 401k, and I borrowed against it, and gave her the $25,000. And we went to close, and I think I had to pay like $2,500, so probably $27,000. So keep saying 100, $27,000 altogether, and it's been cash flowing. I think this is 965, I believe. 965. I let my wife handle all that, but as far as I know, it's 965, and that's just straight cash flow. Less work and more money. Pretty much just outsource everything, and I want to just deal with the yeses. Give me the yeses, and let me talk to the yeses, or maybes. I take either one. I expect it to take me away from my job, my 8-hour job. Just take me away, and that's for this year. This is what I'm working on this year. Spend more time with my family, to bring my daughters. Well, I got 3 daughters in 2 different states. I got one here, so I plan on having her work with me. But the other 2, they live one's in Houston, Texas, and one's in Dallas, Fort Worth. So I want to branch down there too. So those 2 can be my boots on the ground, per se. It's a little intimidating at first, but like Joe said, it seems like you're drinking water out of a fire hydrant. And even though I've been in it as long as been with Joe, it still feels that way every time I come to a buying event. But eventually that's going to ease over.